Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel and another tutorial to explore. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get GitHub Student Developer Pack. Before you apply, ensure your GitHub account is verification ready. This will increase your approval right. Just verify your legal name, billing info, and add academic email. Now, head to GitHub Education Student Pack page. Click Get Your Student Benefits. Provide your school name and select Student as your academic status. If an academic email isn't available or recognized, upload a clear, non-edited, and current document, like student ID card, etc. Then ensure your documents are well lit, readable, and not blurry. Once satisfied, submit your application. The approval usually takes about 5 days, and avoid blurry photos for a better chance to get accepted, and watch your inbox closely for rejection notices. And it is as simple as that, no hassle at all. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. I will see you on the next one.